Hello everyone. Today we're off to explore Pulau Ubin for a day out. And right now, we're on the bus. We're making our way to the Changi Point ferry terminal to catch our boat to the island. It costs $4 per person for the ride. Now, we're all set and ready to hop on the boat. It's a simple passenger boat, and it seems like they use it for various tasks, like transporting goods to the island. We're expecting this ride to take about 15-20 minutes to reach the island, and we're just leaving the main island now. It feels like a bit of an adventure, and I believe it would be even better if we have safety jackets on while we're on the boat. There are 10 people on the boat, including us, and that's the maximum limit for one trip. Did you know the island is a snapshot of Singapore's past, with traditional kampong houses and lush landscapes? The boat ride, more than just a commute, feels like a brief escape from the urban hustle. Who else is excited about discovering the secrets this journey holds? Stay with us for the unfolding tales of Pulau Ubin. In the distance, we can see flights taking off from Changi Airport, soaring high in the sky. We're getting really close to the island now, and it's time for us to get ready to step onto the shore. Finally, we've arrived on the island. There's a big welcome gate, and it looks like a lot of people are here today to explore the island. This is the welcome board, and here we are at Palau Ubin. To explore the island, we need to find a bicycle first. It'll make it easier for us to travel around and see all that Palau Ubin offers. We managed to get 3 cycles, and I'm riding a 2-seat cycle. It's not as easy as it looks. Haha, let's go ahead and start our adventure. We're currently in the central area of the island, surrounded by a vast forest with enormous trees that feel like giants. Starting to feel a bit tired now, but the scenery is worth it. In this part of the island, the roads are fine for riding the 2-seater cycle, but there are some off-road places where we can't go. That's all part of the adventure. Now the sweat is at its highest level. Now it's time for the filming session of our trip, and we've switched cycles to capture these memorable moments. It's truly wonderful. Now, we've covered more than 8 kilometers on our ride. Now, we've concluded our cycle ride and reached the beach area. From here, we'll have to walk along the beach to get to the other side of the island. The entrance is near this old traditional house, adding a touch of history to our journey. That wraps up our video for now. Thank you all for joining us on this adventure, and we'll see you again very soon.